class? Everybody is able to hear me properly and see the whiteboard?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
Prabhuji.
Okay. So in the last
Yes.
writing Sanskrit class, we were talking about the verbs, some of the root verbs, and how the verbs change based on the past, present, and future form of the verb. So we were doing some examples here. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, so for writing, right, we were doing this verb write, which is the root verb is lick. How the lick verb will change for the present tense, past tense, and future tense, as well as for the third person, second person, first person. So third person means when we are speaking about somebody else, not you, not me, but somebody else. He, she, they. So how the lick verb is used for that, and then how the lick verb is used for second person, like for you are writing, right? So tvam liktah. And then how the root verb change for first person, uttam purush, which is I or we, aham likhami. And then for past tense, so these are the examples here we used last time. So just recap. I heard from some kids that last writing class was too hard because to understand the different forms of the verb is little difficult. Only for the present tense, yes, it's easy to understand, but then when they start changing for the past tense and future tense, it becomes a lot. So to keep it simple, let's just do for some key examples here. So Mihika writes. So Mihika means third person, right? We are talking about third person. So Mihika likhati. So that is present tense. Mihika likhati. Then Mihika wrote, past tense. Mihika alikhat. So likhati becomes alikhat. And then Mihika will write or Govinda will write. Govinda likhishyati. So likhati, alikhat, likhishyati. And same way if I say I will write. Aham likhishyami. Or I write. Aham likhami. I wrote. Aham alikham. So like that, these verbs change their form. So for two people, third person, two people. Mihika Govinda. Mihika and Govinda write. So Mihika Govinda cha likhtah. So likhati for single person, likhtah for two people in present tense. Mihika Govinda cha likhtah. And if it was Mihika and Govinda wrote, a past tense. So Mihika Govinda cha alikhatam. And if it was in future, Mihika and Govinda will write, Mihika Govinda cha likhishyatah. Okay, so just a recap on what we did in the last writing class. So I'm going to erase that one. So before continuing with these verbs with their different forms, if the kids are not yet ready for that difficult part, we'll do some simple things first to build vocabulary in Sanskrit. Okay, so we will build some vocabulary, know more and more words in Sanskrit and how to use some of the simple things. So today I'm going to focus on learning the names of days of the week. Have you done that earlier?
No, Prabhu. No, Prabhu.
No, Prabhuji.
Okay, so let's learn the names of weekdays in Sanskrit, and how we say that. Okay, today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, day after tomorrow is Tuesday, or yesterday was Sunday. So how to say these things in Sanskrit? Okay, so how about let's do that. Okay, so Monday. Today is Monday, right? So Monday. How we say Monday in Sanskrit? So Monday in Sanskrit is called Induvasara. So Vasa means day. Okay. And then Monday is Induvasara. So Induvasara. And then Tuesday, Bhomavasara. So ending of every name is Vasara. That is day. So Tuesday. So every day means Vasara. So Indu Vasara means Monday. Bhoma Vasara means Tuesday. Then Wednesday. Wednesday is called Somya Vasara. So half ma.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
can you please write the Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday in English? I don't understand.
You mean Indu Vasara? Write that in English.
Yeah, can you write like all of them in English, also Hindi? I'm not able to understand or write it on my book.
Okay. Are you familiar with all the alphabets in Hindi or Sanskrit?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Is everybody else able to see the writing?
Yes.
Okay, I will try.
Of course.
Yeah, let me try to write underneath in English also. Okay, so Induvasara.
I don't understand what this small writing.
Actually, I don't need to put H in between. Okay, let me write it again. So Indu, I-N-D-U. Vasarah, V-A-S-A-R-A-H. Bhoma Vasara, B-H-A-U-M. Vasara, V-A-S-A-R-A-H. Somya Vasara. Okay, so Thursday. Thursday is called Guru Vasara. So Gu, Ra, and U ki matra on Ra will come in the middle, as I discussed earlier once. So Guru Vasara. See in Hindi, how these names in Hindi called? Monday. Monday is called Somvar. Okay, let me tell you a little bit in Hindi also. So Somvar. Tuesday is called Mangalvar. So in Hindi, it's called Var for day, Var. Simply Var. There is no Sa in the middle.
In Bangla, in Bangla is same even.
Yes. So Somvar, Mangalwar, Buddhavar, Guruvar.
Brihspativar.
Okay, so Guru Vasarah. G-U-R G-U-R-U Guru Vasarah. Friday. Friday in Hindi is called Shukrvar. And in Sanskrit also it's called Shukrvasarah.
I could not see because the light is falling on it.
Okay. I thought we fixed the light problem. Okay,
Prabhu,
that's Friday.
Prabhu, now it's coming on word Friday, Prabhu, the light.
Okay, I don't know, Mataji, why it's coming again.
Mhm.
Oh, because the
Yeah, now it's better. Prabhu.
falling
It's
down.
better. Yes. Yeah, now it's good. Yeah, move to the right hand side, Prabhu. Yeah. It's good. Good.
Now it's good.
Okay. So Friday, Shukrvasarah. Okay, in Hindi also it's called Shukrvar. Saturday. In Hindi, it's called Shanivar. And in Sanskrit also, it's same thing. It's called Shanivasarah. So Sha, Na, E ki matra. Then Vasarah. And then Sunday. So, okay, let me write this in Hindi also. Shukravasarah. So Sukar, then Vasarah. Sunday. It's called Bhanu Vasarah. Okay, so Bhanu, Bhanu, and Vasarah. All right.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
I just want to take like some pictures, so can you leave the whiteboard open for a minute?
Yes. I'm not going to erase it immediately. We are going to talk about these multiple times so everybody understands. Okay, so if somebody wants.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
how did you write the how did you write the sa in the Sunday?
Sunday, Bhanu Vasarah. Okay, so it's Vasarah.
Vasraha.
Every letter has Vasarah. Okay, that is day, the ending part. Day is called Vasarah in Sanskrit. In Hindi, it's called simply Var. Aaj Mangalwar hai. Aaj Somvar hai. Right? So Var. In Sanskrit, it's Vasarah.
Okay, Prabhuji. Thank you.
Okay, so Monday in Sanskrit, Indu Vasarah. So if you see, actually, these names are based on the name of the planet. So there are so many planets, right? Or in Earth, in Bhumandal, there are 9 planets. And those 9 planets have their names, like Saturn, Surya, Chandra, Mangal, Buddha. So these are the name of the planets. And on that, actually, these day names are there. When we say Monday, Indu Vasarah. Somvar. Som means moon. Okay, so Indu Vasarah. So same way, Tuesday. Tuesday is Mangal. In Sanskrit, it's called Bhoma. Bhoma Vasarah. So Mangal planet. And then Saturn, you know Saturn, right? So that is Saturday. Shani Vasarah. So planet Shani.
And then
So
Sunday
Shani
is the
Vasarah.
sun.
And then Sunday is Sun. Sun in Sanskrit is called Bhanu. So Bhanu Vasarah. Or in Hindi, it's called Ravi. Ravi Var. Ravi also means sun. So sun day. Bhanu Vasarah. Saturday. Shani Vasarah. Friday. Shukra Vasarah. And Thursday. Guru Vasarah. Yes, somebody has a question?
Prabhuji, what is Shukravaraha planet?
So Shukra is also one planet. It's called that's the name of the planet, Shukra.
Like in English?
In English, it's called what is that? We have I think it's Venus or something.
Mars, Venus. Then what is Baumvasara?
Bhomavasara. That so exactly I don't know how they map some of the name in English based on the English which one is Venus or Mars. I can tell you that, maybe I can find out that also. But based on the Hindi names or how they are called in our Vedic language, right, the cosmology. So that's how these name map with the name of those planets actually.
Okay, thank you, Prabhuji.
So these names are clear. Can we say that again? Somebody will like to speak out these names. Then we are going to do how to say today is Monday or tomorrow is Tuesday. So how to say those sentences. Okay, somebody will like to volunteer to say these names, or I can ask.
Yeah, Mihika, go ahead. Mihika, you said go ahead.
Indu Vasraha means Monday. Bhom Sav Bhom Sav how do you spell Tuesday?
Bhom Vasarah. So ending is Vasarah always. Okay, so Bhom Vasarah.
Bhom Vasraha Savya Vyasraha
Somya Vasarah. Wednesday.
Somya Vasaha Guru Vrashraha Shukar Vyashaha Shani Vasraha
Shani Vasarah.
Shani Vasraha Bhanu
Vasarah.
Bhanu Vasraha.
Okay, good. Somebody else will like to try?
Can I try, Prabhuji?
Can Ramachandra try, Prabhuji?
Okay, try one after another. So go ahead one by one.
Can I try Samriti?
Okay, Samriti, you asked after Mihika or else who asked after Mihika?
Ramachandra?
Ramachandra, wait, I heard before you other girl's name. Let me confirm. We should go. Who is this?
Samriti.
Samriti? Yeah. After Samriti, Ramachandra, you can go ahead. Yeah, please go ahead,
Okay.
Samriti.
Okay. Indra Vasara.
Indu, not Indra.
Oh. Indu Vasara. Monday. Bhavam Vasara. Tuesday.
Bhom Vasarah.
Okay. Savme Vasara. Wednesday. Guru Veshara Tuesday. I mean Thursday.
Thursday.
Sukar Vasara Friday. Sir, is that an N or a R?
Where?
Like,
Shukar. R.
okay. Okay. Shani Vasara Saturday. Banu Vasara Sunday.
Okay, good. Okay, who is next?
Thank you.
Ramachandra, please go ahead.
Okay, Mata Prabhuji. Indu Vasarah Monday, Bhauma Vasarah Tuesday, Soumya Vasarah Wednesday, Guru Vasarah Thursday, Shukra Vasarah Friday, Shani Vasarah Saturday, Bhanu Vasarah Sunday.
Okay, very good. That was
Prabhuji,
perfect pronunciation for all.
Can I try?
Okay,
Who
go
is
ahead.
there?
Can Varun try?
Yeah, Varun, please go. Yeah. Govinda after Varun, you can get chance.
Can I go after Govinda?
Okay, so we are going to do 3 more so that we can finish the other part of class. And at the end, if we have more time, then more people can recite or say the names. Okay, so we'll do 3 more people at the most.
Varun, please go ahead.
Okay. Monday.
Prabhuji, can I go after Varun?
No, Govinda can go next.
Okay, so after Varun was Govinda, and
No.
after that, one more person.
That was me, Swastika.
No, it's me.
Okay, kids.
Okay.
If you are like this, we will mute everybody and Prabhuji will give chance to somebody. Okay,
Okay, so-
everybody should maintain quiet.
Right, so let's go ahead. Otherwise, we'll lose all the time like that.
Okay. Monday is Indu Vasaraha. Tuesday, Bhavmasura Vasaraha.
Yeah, Bhom Vasarah.
Bom Vasaraha. Wednesday, Somya Vasaraha. Thursday, Guru Vasaraha. Friday, Sukara Vasaraha.
Shukra.
Sat-
Shukra Vasarah.
Shukra Vasaraha. Saturday, Shani Vasaraha. Sunday, Bhanu Vasaraha.
Okay, good. So only little small issue you had in Bhoma Vasara. I think you corrected that also. So good. Okay, next.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. What does Shani Vasra mean?
And Shani Vasara means Saturday. Okay, so
Govinda, please go ahead, Govinda.
What is the first Monday one?
Indu
Hindu
Vasara.
Vasaraha. Boma Vasaraha. Somya Vasaraha. Guru Vasaraha. Shukra Vasaraha. Shani Vasara.
Yeah.
Vasaraha. Banu Vasaraha.
Okay, good. Okay, so who is the last one? Is that Swastika?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I just wanted to read all of them.
Okay, go ahead.
Indu Vasara Bhanu Vasaraha Soumya Vasaraha Guru Vasaraha Shukra Vasaraha Shani Vasaraha Bhanu Vasaraha.
Okay, so ending is always vasarah. Okay, not
Okay.
vasah. Not vasah, vasarah.
Okay.
So Induvasarah, Bhomavasarah, Somyavasarah, Guruvasarah, Shukravasarah, Shanivasarah, Bhanuvasarah. Okay, so I'm going to do the few sentences, how to say today is Monday and all, and then few other children can also get the chance to say these names of the days. Okay, so I'm going to erase maybe half of it so we can do those sentences here. Okay, so today is actually what? Monday, right? So how we
Yes.
say today is Monday? So Monday is Indu Vasaraha. So only thing we have to add in the front is today. So today is Indu Vasaraha. So today is called Adhyaha. So it will be Adhyaha. We are adding the and ya together because it's a half the, or for simplification, I can write first in that form, Adhaya. Okay, so in Sanskrit, actually, if you see, these two letters are combined to write Adhya like this. So Adhaya, Induvasaraha.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, is it Adya Vasraha?
Yeah, Adhya. So it's Aday, Adhya.
And then Ad means?
Today.
Oh, so Adya and Ad means today.
Adhya, only Adhya. So both are written. It's the same word Adhya. Adhya means today is. Today is Monday, Indu Vasara. So that's how you say today is Monday. Adhya Indu Vasara. Or
Prabhuji,
Adhya
you
Bhanu
know,
Vasara.
Prabhuji, you need to write two?
No. I'm just telling you how to write. Both are correct ways. So let's write only this one here to clarify. So Adhya, it can be written the way I wrote earlier, or you can simply write in this way also. Okay, combined form of the and ya. So it's Adhya.
And won't you put Asti after it because it means is?
No, you don't need.
Oh, okay.
Simply Adhya Indu Vasarah, that's enough.
Okay, Prabhuji.
If somebody writes Asti also, that's okay too. Adhya Indu Vasara Asti. Actually, that is used for some actual object when you're using something. Kind of a living object, then you use the word asti, hai. For example, when you say your name, right? Mama naam Mihika, Mama naam Govinda, you don't add asti in that. Mama naam Vrindanath Asti. You don't add that asti there. Simply Mama naam and dash, your name. So same way here, Adhya Indu Vasarah means today is Monday, or Adhya Bhomavasara, today is Tuesday, Adhya Guru Vasara, today is Thursday, like that. And now, if you want to say tomorrow, let's say today is Monday, then tomorrow will be Tuesday, right? So how do you say tomorrow is Tuesday? So Tuesday means Bhomavasara. How to say tomorrow? That will be Sahavaha. So actually not Sahava, Shavaha. So let me write here. We want to use the sh as this Let me see which one we want to use. In this, actually, this will come, but it is half sh. So shavah. So in this case, it's a half sh. So sh and v are combined to make it like let me see how we will write that. If I had written in Hindi to show you was easy. So it will be simply that way, half sh.
Is it Kshavaha? Kshavaha?
Yeah. S-V-A-S-H sh vaha. V-A-H-A. So shavah, and then you add the name of the day. Bhomavasarah. Okay. So whatever name of the day is, so Shava Bhomavasarah, Shava Somyavasarah, like that. So Adhya Induvasarah, Shava Bhomavasarah. Now there could be one more, day after tomorrow. So one is tomorrow and then day after tomorrow. So day after tomorrow will be, so today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday, day after tomorrow will be Wednesday. So how we say day after tomorrow is Wednesday in Sanskrit. Wednesday means Somyavasarah. And day after tomorrow will be, so tomorrow is Shavah, day after tomorrow will be Parah Shavah. So you add Par in the front. Okay. So Par Shavah, Somyavasarah. Whatever day is that. So Adhya Shavah, Par Shavah. So Para Shava means basically you add para here in English if you want to write. So Para Shava. And this Shava actually is written in this way also. Let me show you another way. So simply this and Va is added on this one itself, on this line. So because this Sha is a half Sha and Va is combined with that. Like in Adhya, the and Ya are combined. So in Shava, Sha and Va are combined on the same line. So it's written in this way also. Okay. So Adhya, today, tomorrow, Shava, day after tomorrow, Para Shavaha.
Prabhuji, what do you call yesterday?
Yes, we are going to do yesterday also. So let's say today is Monday and yesterday was Sunday, right? So you want to say yesterday was Sunday. So yesterday is called Hayah. Hayah Bhanu Vasarah. So yesterday was Sunday. Can I erase this one? Okay, so Hayah. So here her and ya are also combined because it's a not complete her. So you see the ya starts from here. So her ya. Or because it's not complete her, so it will be not be a sound in that. It will be hayah. Because it's a half her, so there is not HA, it's simply H. Hayah Bhanu Vasarah. Okay, so Adhya Induvasarah, Shuvah, Bhomavasarah, Parah Shavah, Somyavasarah, Hayah, Bhanuvasarah. Okay, so these four should be enough to be able to speak any day. Today is this, tomorrow is this, day after tomorrow is this, or yesterday was this. Right? So these are the most common which are used in our English or Hindi language also. So if you just learn this much in Sanskrit, that should be enough for your conversation. Okay, let's see if somebody has any question. Or otherwise, I'm going to ask questions. Okay, so can I ask questions then?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes.
You write Hayaha.
Say again.
How do you say Hayaha? How did you write it? I kind of got confused how to mix it over.
Hayah. So her, which is half her, and then ya is combined with that. So you are starting ya from there. Or basically, if I have to write her and then ya, right? So, but in writing, now you're combining her and ya. So it's her, and you start ya from here. So that is Hayah. H-Y-A-H-A. Hayah.
Got it, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare
What?
Krishna.
What's Friday in Sanskrit?
Friday in Sanskrit is called Shukravasarah. Okay, so Shukravasarah. Saturday is Shani Vasarah. Sunday is Bhanu Vasarah.
Thank you.
Okay, now who will like to say tomorrow is Saturday? Can you say that in Sanskrit? I know tomorrow is Tuesday, but we are just doing practice. So tomorrow is Saturday. How will you say that?
श्वः शनिवासरः शनिवासरः.
Okay, good. Shvah Sani Vasarah. Tomorrow is Saturday. Now, yesterday was Friday.
Hayaha Shukravasyaha.
Hayah Shukravasarah. Good. Today is Thursday.
अद्य गुरुवासरः.
Adhya Guru Vasarah.
Adya Guru Vasaraha.
Day after tomorrow is Wednesday.
परश्वः सौम्यवासरः.
Parashavah Somya Vasarah.
Sure.
Okay, good. So anybody has any question, or you want to just practice saying the name of the days, or saying this today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, yesterday, along with some name of the day? So we can just have,
Prabhuji,
yes.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
What do we like? What's the word for day?
Vasarah. Vasarah. In Hindi, it's called simply Var. In Sanskrit, Vasarah. The
Okay.
ending word, right? That is for day. So, so in English also, let's say you split in two, right? Thursday. Same way, Guru, Vasarah. Wednesday. Somya, Vasarah.
Okay. Thank you, Prabhuji. Sorry for the disturbance.
Yeah, no problem. Anybody else has a question?
Day before yesterday in Sanskrit?
Day before yesterday, you can say parahayah. But generally, you don't go that far, or you simply use the date. Okay, that date was this day. So that's why I am not telling all the day after tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Right? So in common language, you don't use as a long sentence, day after tomorrow, or day after yesterday. So only these 3 or 4 words are more common: today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and yesterday. So if really you want to say day before yesterday, so parahayah. Okay, any other question?
The question time.
Okay, anybody else will like to say the name of all the days? Now you have a chance.
Okay. I do.
Prabhuji, can I say it?
Yes, you can say it.
Okay. Monday. Induvasarah. Tuesday. Bhaumavasarah. Wednesday. Somvasarah. Thursday. Guruvasarah. Friday. Shukravarah. Vasarah. Saturday. Shanivasarah. Sunday. Bhanuvasarah. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Good. Hare Krishna.
Can I say it, Prabhuji?
Can I say it, Prabhuji?
Okay, one after another.
Carrot.
Yes, go ahead.
Monday is Induvasaraha and Tuesday is Bhauvasaraha. Wednesday is
Somya Vasarah.
Somyavasaraha. And then Thursday is Guruvasaraha. And Friday is Sukarvasaraha. Saturday is Shanivasaraha. Sunday is Bhanuvasaraha.
Okay, good.
Can I go?
Wait, can I go?
Yes.
I asked after him.
Yes, go ahead.
Monday is Induvasarah. Tuesday is Bhavum.
Bhom.
Vasarah. Wednesday is Somya Vasarah. Thursday is Guru Vasarah. Friday is Shukra Vasarah. Saturday is Shani Vasarah. Sunday is Bhanu Vasarah.
Okay, good job. Yes, who is next?
Can I go next?
Go ahead.
Monday is Induvasaraha. Then Tuesday is Bhoma Vasaraha. Wednesday is Somya Vasaraha. Thursday is Guru Vasaraha. Friday is Shukra Vasaraha. Saturday is Sani Vasaraha. Sunday is Bhanu Vasaraha.
Okay, good job. Okay, so as this is a Sanskrit writing class, you should practice writing these names of the days. Okay, not just simply speaking. So you should be able to write also. Practice writing these weekdays names. Okay, so any other questions, or otherwise we will end the class here today. So today is Monday. Adya
Induvasaraha.
Tomorrow is Tuesday. Shavaha.
Shavaha Bhaumavasaraha.
Day after tomorrow is Wednesday. Parashavah.
Somvasarah.
Yesterday was Sunday. Haya Bhanuvasarah.
Bhanuvasarah.
Okay, good. So practice that. Try writing